hairdressing fails. So I found some TikTok hairdressing fails and I thought that I would watch them with you guys because heaps of people love to watch TikTok and why shouldn't I? So we've got a few options here and we're going to have a little look-see. This one looks promising. I don't know about music, so let's just watch it without the music right now. So that looks like a salon setup. So this one says bleach hair at home, but that's clearly like an at-home salon. So maybe she's a hairdresser. Maybe she's the hairdresser and she's gotten her mum to do it, because it's like, this is not good. Like, a little bit of fallout's okay, but like, you don't want to see that, no. Wait! Oh. I know it's Brad Mondo, but like, let's just have a look. Why? So this is actually really bad because like, your hair, when it's got water on it, the pH changes a little bit. That's like one of the things, but also water helps heat it up a bit much and you can actually burn off your hair, and the cuticle layers can be open, so it can actually cause damage inside your hair as well. It's really not good to use water. I mean, there are things like the steam pod, but like, they're designed by professionals. This gets rid of the dead ends. What? So it says that it's helping her hair grow. No. Is this a troll? Like, no. I mean, you could always style it to... I'm so sorry, honey. This would be fine though if she styled it. Like, she could have just, like, you know... Yeah, that brown brush... No, that would make it worse. You want to style it and bring it inwards and then sort of, like, go like that. With the dryer, like, here. Like, think about it if you place the hair where you want to shape it. Oh my god. Poor thing. Wait! That's, like, too much. So, like... with what she's saying, right, so what's happened is obviously, like, they've over-processed the hair. I don't know if she'd had home colour on or not, because it's hard to say, but it kind of does look like that could have been the case. But, yeah, like, once your hair's damaged at that point, you can do treatments and stuff to help manage it, but you can't really fix it per se. As you can see, this is like still quite like, I don't know, like it's very, very porous. I wonder what she used on her hair. I wonder what she used, like whether or not it is like 30 volt or plus. Like, she sounds possibly American, and like I hear they have up to 60, so yeah. I guess that's enough of that. So if you enjoy this content, feel free to let me know that you enjoy it down below. I have got a Twitch stream started now. As you can see, I've got hair color on my arm, so please go have a look at that if you would love to. And I will see you guys in the future.
They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing.